Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task is crucial for maintaining fresh air inside your vehicle. The cabin air filter works to trap dust, pollen, and other airborne particles before they enter your passenger compartment. For many vehicles, including the GMC Sierra, you will find this filter conveniently located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, open your glove box completely and clear out any items inside. Next, locate the small dampening arm, usually on the left side, and carefully detach it. With the arm disconnected, gently push inward on the outer edges of the glove box. This action will release the retaining stops, allowing the glove box to swing down fully or be removed entirely. Now, the cabin air filter housing should be visible. With the glove box out of the way, you will see the rectangular filter housing. This cover is typically held in place by one or two small clips. Simply unclip them to remove the cover. Carefully slide out the old filter, noting its condition and the direction of the airflow arrow. This arrow is critical. Install your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points downwards, towards the floor of the vehicle for proper filtration. Once the new filter is correctly seated, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Next, align the bottom hinges of the glove box and push it upwards until the side stops re-engage. Don't forget to reconnect the dampening arm on the left side. This entire process usually takes less than 10 minutes. For optimal air quality, it is recommended to replace your cabin air filter every 12 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.